Hello traders, welcome to second video for today. Jean here from BecomingTraderFX.com, and as I explained in the previous video on the Euro US dollar setup we had today, I said that in the second video I will explain how you could trade the Aussie US dollar today on the 1 hourly time frame. So the Euro US dollar I traded, and few students as well, was taken actually from the 15-minute time frame, but on the Aussie we had 1 hourly setup. So I will break down the details for you so you understand how you can look for trading opportunities in the future. So yes, lately I have been posting a lot of videos on the YouTube, so don't get used to too much. So yes, if I have a time and then of course I have to make some videos for those who are just following us on the YouTube. And yes, if you're ready, if you want to step up your trading, then of course you can also join in my private training, the 3-month mentoring program. So yes, make sure you check also the website if you need help. And yes, let's jump to the Aussie US dollar daily time frame. So what is the structure? Of course, as I said in the previous video, before you trade any pair, you have to understand what is the main structure. So is it price making higher lows, tagging all those previous days highs, or we have lower lows and price is making lower highs and tagging previous days lows? So you have to understand what is the main structure. So we can all agree that the current structure on the Aussie is bullish. We have some previous swing lows from December, market pushed to the upside, a new high was formed, and market retraced back into the discount on the daily time frame. As you can see, more than 50% retracement, and that's where also the price found support here at previous resistance, which turned into the support here. So bullish structure is there. That means we ideally want to trade possible long trading opportunities to increase our chances, to increase our trading probabilities, and that means we want to look for long trades, as I said. So on the 4 hourly, what is the structure there? So as you can see, if you go back, you can see that in the last couple of days here, as you can see, last week price was in the bearish structure. But what we noticed after the NFP news, after this huge spike on Friday, the recent swing highs were broken to the upside, and on the breakout to the upside, we saw also this fair value gap zone. So this is something that's very powerful when previous highs gets broken to the upside with powerful candles, and when we have this fair value gap zone, then of course this is a nice confirmation of possible structure change. So we have this swing low, new high was formed, and then market, as you can see, retraced back to the Friday's lows, the last week lows, in combination with fair value gap zone, and price pushed to the upside. So the new higher low was formed here, market pushed to the upside. We have still this buy side liquidity up here, so previous highs were not taken out yet, and market decided to retraced again, as you can see, over the night today on 10th of January. And what caught our attention here was, of course, as we have this swing low here, market pushed higher, retraced back, and here we had another displacement fair value gap zone between first, second, and third candle. This is just a extra confirmation on the hard time frame, such as 4 hourly. But most importantly, what is important here is, of course, this nice beautiful retracement back to the discount area, and as you can see, during the night price, as you can see, start moving to the upside, and it retested previous lows from start of the week, from Monday. And we said we want to look, as long as these levels are holding, we said we want to look for a possible move higher, and this is exactly what happened. So if you go back to the 1 hourly time frame, this is most importantly when price starts reacting of the 4 hourly discount areas, then of course you can start checking the 1 hourly or 15-minute time frame in order to see a possible structure change and to look for possible trading opportunities. So as you can see here over the night price, as you can see, the structure already changed here on the 15-minute time frame. So this was during the night, the nice breakout, fair value gap zone on the 15-minute. This is just some extra information for you. If that will be, of course, inside of the London session or New York session, that's something that you could trade. But anyway, on the 4-hourly, we saw this bounce during the night. And what happened as we approached the London session here? As you can see, if we check the previous price action, we saw price was in the bearish structure. That's something we like to see. And when price respected this 4-hourly discount area, what we saw was nice breakout to the upside. So market changed the structure during the night. Previous recent high was broken, and on the breakout to the upside, what we also noticed was, of course, the fair value gap zone and displacement. So we had a bit of fair value gap here, small one here, and the next one up there. So this was the swing low we were watching. Market pushed to the upside to the new highs, and once the market broke the previous highs and changed this structure to the upside with fair value gap zones, and market moved 30 pips, we said what we said: we want to see a retracement back to the discount area. So if we draw Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, then of course, let me actually remove the 4-hourly lines so we will see clearly. So on the 1-hourly, what do you see? Nice retracement, textbook retracement back to the discount area in combination with, of course, the discount area first, second, previous resistance, which turned into the support here, as you can see, and the third one, we had also fair value gap zone. So beautiful setup inside of the London trading session. We were watching also the GBP US dollar. It was very similar. So how you could trade this one? When the price reaches the discount area, you can look for entry in those levels, of course. In this case, you could trade the lows here. Your stop loss will be below the structure, below the lows, and your target will be, of course, the highs of the day. So the buy side liquidity up here, so this could be your target. So in this case, we are talking about a little bit of 1-to-1, a little bit more in terms of risk and reward ratio. So beautiful textbook example how you could target the highs of the day when the price reaches the discount area within the daily bullish, 4-hourly bullish, and of course in this case also 1-hourly bullish structure. So beautiful example. Hope you learned something from this video, and we catch up soon. Take care.